Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your OBS Studio for both recording audio input and also recording display capture. So before we start, I'm going to be showing you my microphone, the microphone that I'm using. I'm using this mini wired microphone, and that is just it. Now the next thing to do is to open OBS Studio. Then after opening your OBS Studio, what I'm going to be setting first is the audio. Now to add an audio source, just click on this plus button, then click on this audio input capture, then click on OK. Now select your audio device. I'm using this headset microphone Realtek R Audio, that is the driver name. Now click on OK. Then after clicking on OK, right click on this input capture, click on the filters. Then after clicking on filters, click on this plus button to add some filters. Now the first filter that you're going to be adding, it doesn't really matter, you can add them by sequentially. Just add this compressor, then click on OK, add gain, click on OK, and also add noise suppression, then add limiter. Now what this limiter does is that your voice wants to bump into a recorder. Right now I'm not using OBS Studio, I'm using Wondershare Filmora to record, which isn't really better at recording audio but better at recording video. So you can reduce this limiter like this if it is reaching to this peak here. So just reduce it to the one you want. So I'm going to be using this -8. I'll just click on close. Now go to settings. Now this is input. All these global audio devices, set them to disabled. Just disable everything, and this sample rate, let it be 44.1 kilohertz, and this channel to be in stereo. And that is it for audio. Now back to the display capture settings. The first thing to do is to go to this file, click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, go to video, select your the screen resolution, your real screen resolution, which is the base cameras resolution. Then select the output resolution. So this is 1080p, and if you want it to be 2K videos, just type it there, which is the output resolution. This downscale filter, I guess yours is going to be bicube sharpened, so you have to change this to Lanco's sharpened scaling. That's his sample. Now this frame per seconds, you have to change this to the highest frame per seconds on your PC. Just set it there, it doesn't matter, just set it to the highest one. Then after that, go to output. After going to output, click on advanced. Yours is going to be simple, just click on advanced. Then after clicking on advanced, you're going to see this window. Now click on recording. I'm not streaming, so I don't need all the settings. So if you are streaming, just check this recording and use it to set the streaming first. Now then after clicking on this recording tab, now click on tab and select standard. After selecting standard, this is your recording part, it's your choice, you can leave that whatever. Recording format, select MP4. MKV sucks. Your um your video is not going to clear if you select MKV. Now this audio track, if you want to use this track 2 or track 3, just select. I'm using audio track 1, so just click on the one. This encoder, I'm not gonna be using this software times 264. I'm using quick sync hardware that's 264. This is actually the best. So if you want to rescale the output, you can edit it here, but if you don't want to rescale it, just uncheck this. Now this is target usage, which is the target usage. Now select the quality matters a lot. not about the speed or slower, medium, stuff like that. Just select the quality. Then after selecting the quality, profile should be high. um Keyframe interval should be the highest. Just leave that one as default. Now coming back to this bitrate, you can select this as CBR. Now coming back to this bitrate, I guess yours should be 2500 kilobits per second. Now just change this to 80,000 kilobits per second, and your latency should be normal. The B frames also should be at default. Now coming back to audio, just leave this as 160 audio bitrate, and also this replay buffer, just uncheck this place. Now click on apply. Then after clicking on apply, then click on OK. So if you want to set your hotkeys and stuff like that, I think this is very easy. Just remap everything here, and that is just it. The next thing to do is to add your display source by clicking on this plus button. Then add display capture by clicking on display capture. Click on OK. Select your screen resolution. If you want to capture cursor, just check this. If you don't want to capture cursor, just uncheck it. Now click on OK, and that is just all. So you can begin to record. The noise suppression will filter the background noise. The compressor will make your voice to better, and also the gain, the limiter, everything there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.